Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the core of successful manufacturing. We're talking about the 7 principles of manufacturing excellence and cost management. You see, true cost management isn't just about slashing numbers and tightening belts. It's about a much deeper commitment to optimizing every facet of your operation, ensuring the highest levels of quality, unwavering reliability, and maximum productivity. So, let's embark on this journey together. Let's explore how, as leaders, we can implement these principles to transform our businesses and achieve manufacturing excellence. The foundation of any successful endeavor, any great accomplishment, starts with a clear understanding of what success looks like. In manufacturing, this begins with a clearly defined manufacturing strategy, a roadmap that outlines the critical objectives we strive to achieve. This isn't about vague aspirations, but concrete, measurable goals that act as our guiding stars. This roadmap, meticulously crafted by your manufacturing excellence team, becomes the bedrock of your operations. It's not enough to simply develop this roadmap. It needs to be ingrained in the very fabric of your organization. Every member of your team, from the factory floor to the executive suite, should understand the roadmap, their role within it, and how their contributions drive the company forward. This shared understanding fosters a sense of purpose, a unified direction that propels everyone towards a common goal. When everyone is aligned, when everyone understands the why behind their work, that's when true synergy emerges, and that's when you start witnessing the magic of manufacturing excellence. Imagine an orchestra preparing to perform a symphony. Each musician has their individual part, their own instrument, their own unique contribution to the overall performance. But what if those musicians weren't aligned? What if they hadn't agreed on the tempo, the key, the interpretation of the music? Chaos, that's what. Instead of a harmonious melody, you'd have a cacophony of sound. Manufacturing operates on a similar principle. Everyone within the organization, every department, every team, every individual is like a musician in our orchestra. And just like that orchestra, we need to be in sync, aligned on our shared goals and expectations. This alignment, this shared understanding of our manufacturing excellence objectives, is crucial for avoiding costly missteps and ensuring that every decision, big or small, is made with the bigger picture in mind. When everyone is on the same page, we eliminate the risk of departments working in silos, pursuing conflicting goals, or making decisions that inadvertently undermine the overall mission. This alignment fosters a culture of collaboration, where information flows freely and everyone feels empowered to contribute their unique skills and perspectives. It's about breaking down barriers, encouraging open communication, and creating an environment where everyone is working together towards a shared vision of manufacturing excellence. We've established clear objectives. We've aligned our expectations. Now, we need to empower our people to make that vision a reality. You wouldn't send a soldier into battle without proper training and equipment, would you? The same principle applies in manufacturing. Our workforce is on the front lines, the ones who bring our manufacturing excellence roadmap to life. It's our responsibility as leaders to ensure they have the knowledge, the skills, and the tools they need to excel. This goes beyond technical training. It's about fostering a culture of continuous learning, where employees are encouraged to develop their skills and expand their knowledge base. But it's not just about capability, it's also about motivation. People need to feel valued and understand the impact of their work. Leaders set the tone, create the culture, and inspire their teams to achieve great things. By fostering an environment of trust, respect, and open communication, leaders can unlock the full potential of their workforce and create a culture where manufacturing excellence is a way of life. Chapter 4. In manufacturing, as in life, understanding the true cost of things is essential for making sound decisions. We often focus on the immediate, the tangible costs, the price of raw materials, the cost of labor, the overhead expenses. But true cost analysis goes much deeper than that. To achieve manufacturing excellence, we need to delve into the realm of standard cost data. This data, often overlooked or underestimated, provides invaluable insights into the true profitability of our operations. It allows us to pinpoint inefficiencies, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions that drive both cost savings and enhance performance. Accurate standard cost data is the compass that guides our decision-making. It allows us to answer critical questions. What is the true cost of producing each unit? Where are the bottlenecks in our processes? Are we utilizing our resources effectively? Armed with this knowledge, we can make strategic adjustments to optimize our operations, reduce waste, and ultimately boost our bottom line. But the value of standard cost data extends far beyond mere cost reduction. It empowers us to make informed decisions about pricing, product development, and even market positioning. By understanding our costs at a granular level, we can identify opportunities to differentiate ourselves from competitors, offer competitive pricing, and ultimately enhance our market share. Chapter 5. The Pursuit of Excellence, a non-negotiable standard. In the realm of manufacturing, mediocrity is not an option. We operate in a competitive landscape where only the best, the most efficient, and the most adaptable survive. That's why, from day one, we need to set our sights on a single, unwavering target: excellence. Excellence isn't a destination, it's a journey, a continuous pursuit of improvement, a commitment to always raising the bar. It's about refusing to accept good enough and constantly striving for better, faster, and more efficient ways of operating. This pursuit of excellence should permeate every facet of our organization, from the shop floor to the boardroom. It's about instilling a culture where quality is non-negotiable, where every product that leaves our facility is a testament to our unwavering commitment to delivering the very best. But excellence isn't just about meeting customer expectations, it's about exceeding them. It's about anticipating their needs, innovating constantly, and delivering products and services that not only meet but surpass their wildest expectations. This unwavering commitment to excellence is what sets us apart from the competition. It's what earns us the trust and loyalty of our customers, and ultimately, it's what drives long-term success in this demanding industry. Chapter 6. Simplicity, the art of reducing complexity. In the pursuit of manufacturing excellence, we often fall into the trap of complexity. We add layers of bureaucracy, implement convoluted processes, and create systems that are more cumbersome than they are helpful. But true excellence lies in simplicity. Think of a well-oiled machine, every part working in perfect harmony, no unnecessary components, no wasted motion. That's the level of efficiency we should strive for in our manufacturing operations. This requires us to constantly question the status quo, to challenge every process, every procedure, every activity, and ask ourselves, does this add value? Does this contribute to our overall goal of manufacturing excellence? If the answer is no, it's time to simplify, to streamline, to eliminate the unnecessary. This relentless pursuit of simplicity frees up our time, our resources, and our mental bandwidth to focus on what truly matters, delivering exceptional products and exceeding customer expectations. This principle of simplicity extends beyond our physical processes. It applies to our communication, our organizational structure, and even our decision-making. By embracing simplicity, we create an environment where clarity reigns, agility is paramount, and excellence becomes the natural outcome. Chapter 7. The power of knowledge-driven involvement. The keystone principle is the power of a fully engaged, knowledge-driven workforce. True empowerment goes beyond providing tools and knowledge. It's about fostering a culture where every employee feels valued and heard. Open communication and feedback channels are essential. Break down hierarchies to create an environment for sharing ideas and insights. Act on feedback to show that employee input is valued. This fosters a sense of ownership and pride in their work. When employees feel ownership, they contribute to a culture of excellence. This is the key to unlocking your manufacturing organization's full potential. By embracing these 7 principles, business leaders can ensure their manufacturing organizations are productive, efficient, and reliable. Remember, manufacturing excellence is not just a goal, but a continuous journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on achieving business success.